In this video, I'm going to show you how to write the words, also known as copy, for the About page of your Squarespace website so that people have everything that they need to know to feel good about working with you. The About page is about three things: building empathy with your visitors to let them know that you understand their struggle, building authority with your visitors to show them that you can help them, and building connections with them on a human level. People like doing business with people. Similar to the empathy and authority section on your homepage, your About page is meant to go deeper, to tell more of your business's story, because people love stories. First, we have the Right Place section. The Right Place section of the About page lets visitors know that they have landed in the right place by calling out what they are there for. Here's the template. You state what the customer wants, but you are state what the customer's problem is, and then assure them that you can relate. Here is an example. You need some work done on your car, but every shop that you take them to tries to con you into hundreds of dollars of work when you were just looking for a tune-up. Is this you too, or is it just me? Here's another example. You want to eat and connect with your friends, but you also don't want to feel terrible from unhealthy food afterwards. Can you relate? Next is the Build Empathy and Authority section. Drop your visitors into the middle of the problem that your business tries to solve first. Explain why the business was created. What were you trying to solve when the business was first launched? Here's the template. I or we get it. We knew that other people needed help with, and here's where you state the problem, and that's why we created this. You can say your product or your service or your company name. Now, I or we do state the specific product or service, and then you're going to state the results. Have X amount of clients or grown X amount of businesses. Do you want to state the solution to their problem once and for all? Here is an example that I created for a teen substance use center. We understand where you were coming from. We knew that there weren't a lot of options for teens to get help, including the members of our own family. We had to change that. A 28-day program wouldn't cut it. They need support that could bring lasting change. That's why we created Sandstone Care, to give teen-specific addiction and mental health services. Now we have grown from that one tiny outpatient facility in Colorado to many locations across the country. We have served hundreds of teens and young adults and helped them overcome substance use and mental health challenges so that they can get back to smiling, graduating, and connecting with their families again. Are you ready to give your teen the help that they need? Last, your About page needs to have a call to action section. Tell visitors what they need to do. This should be related to your primary and secondary website goal. Here's an example from the Teen Treatment Center. Call an admissions expert today to get your insurance verified, and in the meantime, download our free parent resource guide to learn even more ways that you can support your teen. Pictures of you or happy employees, preferably not stock photos, are a must here. Remember, humans buy from humans. The more human your brand seems, the more likely someone is to do business with you. Remember, this is the fifth part of course number 1 for how to build a Squarespace website. You can check out all the full courses linked up in the description box below. Also, if you have any questions about your About page or writing the words for it, then leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Let's put the art back into content marketing. I'll see you on the next one.